Hey guys, welcome to Gear Auto Channel. Today we're working on a 2017 Toyota Hybrid. We're gonna change the coolant temperature sensor. Hybrid, you gotta be careful guys and work on these. The battery sometimes blow up. But this is the new sensor right here. Alright, the car was overheating, had a code. Now I'm changing it. Here goes the sensor right down here. Alright, see it right guys? The location is right down here. Right? You need a 19 socket. A 19 socket with a ratchet. Alright guys. Like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you guys. Pushing it here.